Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm just going to show you a quick way to make an animated elevator in UEFN. So we're just in a blank project here and we're just going to drop down this gray box floor, which will give us this nice floor. So you only need a few things here. So you need the floor that's going to be animated. And then we're going to drop a button here. Rotate that 90 degrees. So this is going to be the button that you hit when to start the elevator to make it go up. So just place that somewhere there. And I'm going to just put the button inside the floor up, so that would parent it, so when you move the floor, the button moves with it. So this is where you're gonna spawn these guys. Now, we're gonna need to create a sequence. So we're gonna right click and create a level sequence. That's what we want to create. So I'll call this ls elevator up. And this is where we're going to animate the elevator going up. So just double click on the sequence and that'll bring up the timeline. And now we're going to add a track, acted as sequencer, and just add our gray box floor. So now if we click this plus here and attach a transform track, now we can see in the timeline we have our transforms. So we're just gonna add a key at the first frame, which adds these transform keys. And then maybe at 100, we'll add another key. And we'll just move the elevator up. Press this key again. And now if you go back to the start, you can see the elevator moves up. So now we're going to connect the button to the floor and hopefully make this elevator play this sequence when we press the button, which is what we want. So we're going to save this level sequence. And now in UEFN, we can just close this, go down to devices, search for a cinematic sequence device. So just drop that in your scene, and so we need one of these to connect our animation to the button. So click the cinematic sequence device, and this sequence over here, we're gonna need to drop in our animation of the elevator. So drop in ls elevator up that we created before on the cinematic sequence device. So click the cinematic sequence device on the play function, and you can click here the down arrow to find the button, or you can also click this little pick actor from scene. Oh yep, so you get this little eyedropper and you can pick the button and that will just load it into here. And now on the button, on the interact, we want a play function. And we want to play this sequence. So when you hit the button, it's going to play the little animation that we created. Okay, so we've got the button, we've got the sequence, we've got our little animation. So let's play test this. So up here, we're going to go to launch session, which will launch a Fortnite session for us to test out our elevator. I'll just fast forward while this loads. Alright guys, so here we are in Fortnite. We've got our elevator. The little cinematic sequence device is invisible because that's just the little hookup link, so you won't see that in the game. So if we jump on the elevator, press the button, and we go up. And it plays our little animation, and you collide with the floor, and then it resets. Yep, so press the button. Look at that, little elevator. Use any prop you want. You can do tons of stuff with this. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what you create. All right, guys, peace out, enjoy creating, and see you in the next one.